Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve New York Times Sudoku puzzle on July 8, 2022. Hard Sudoku. Fourth row, we have 174. The three numbers can't come this cell. It will come in any one of the three cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. First grade. We have 216. So 216 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column D, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 8th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, 2 will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, 2 will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. 3rd row and 6th row, we have 2, 9th grid also we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 6, so 2 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the two cells. Column B, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column F, column J, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 5th row, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9, it will come in one of the three cells, we will confirm later. Sixth grade, we have 1 and 7, so 1 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. 7th row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 9, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5, it will come in one of the three cells. Column C, we already have 3 and 5, so 3 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. Column B, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here, then only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Column B, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7, it will come in one of the two cells, we will confirm later. Column F and second row, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column F and second row, we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. column F, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Third grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, column H, column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. We can confirm 2 also here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 6th row, we already got 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column H, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second row and 8th row and 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column E, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column E, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column G, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. Column E, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Third row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Second row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.